Hi everybody, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to try this look. Last time I did try this one and it was pretty cool, not gonna lie. It looked good and I'm happy over it. Today we're going to do this one because I feel like it's simple as well, and we're going with a simple theme, not team. We're going with the simplest theme because I think that will look good. The light is not good, I gotta be honest. Either way, I think it's way too harsh. Some of the light a bit too harsh, I think so, but yeah, I have the perfect palette for it, and I'm gonna use this side only because it literally has the orange here, which you can see in the picture. Let me put it up here. You can see the orange is there and the pink as well. I'm gonna try one of these. I think it will look great, not gonna lie. But first off, I didn't do this last time, and like it wasn't ugly, it was hot, but I'm just gonna do a base with concealer. So I'm gonna dot to here, and then I'm just gonna blend it. Wait a minute, let me blend this out. So as you guys saw, I just blended the concealer, and we're finally going to start the colors, which are the most exciting bit in my own opinion. I'm going to start with the orange because it's like the one in the middle, as you can see. So here's the orange, and we're just gonna do here. I like to build it up, so I just put a small amount and then just make it more and more and more. Because I'm scared that it's gonna mess it up. I'm not sure if it's going to mess it up, but I don't want to risk it, you know? So I just am trying to put as much product as possible. And I just put it here. And then I'm gonna use a fluffy airbrush and just spread it out. But right now I'm just gonna put it on my eyelid. Like, one of my main concerns while doing a video is that you guys get bored. That's why I'm trying to make videos that are short. As you can see, my newest videos are not longer than like 6 minutes. I don't want you guys to get bored out. Oh, I think I got some in my eyes. Okay, that one hurt. You guys see my other video where it was like easier to put you guys see my other video where it was easier to just put it with my finger? I'm gonna try this in this video as well, just to see. Oh no, never mind. It's kind of the same. I don't know. Yeah, never mind. It wasn't that good. And she also put it underneath the eye, but that we will do that last, I think. So I think I'm just going to put this one on, the one right here. I think that will match the best. So I will just put that on, and up to you guys. It's not gonna lie, it's a pretty color. Oh my god, the color is pigmented. Do you guys see? Finally a color that's pigmented. Oh my god, it actually looks gorgeous, not gonna lie. Oh my gosh. It actually looks good. Oh my god, this actually looks generally like, I know this look doesn't have an eyeliner, but I think I will just do an eyeliner in the end of the video just to see how it will look like. Hopefully it's not going to destroy it. Should I try with the big brush now? I'm scared. I mean, I hope I don't. Okay, I'm just gonna put it here in the inner corner and hope for the best. Does it look good? I just watched a photo and I think I'm doing right. Not gonna lie. Again, I can't really see the picture when I'm doing this. I'm just going on with what I remember because of it. But I mean, it's fine. I know it looks crazy, guys. We're going to blend it out and inshallah will look better. I almost forgot that it is a triangle here, like almost like an eyeliner, and so I will have to do that one, but like, I'm scared. You guys, I'm basically dying. This is so hot. Okay, it's just so hot. I do not get any kind of air, and it just sun coming in, and I'm literally like dying. nice weather outside, so I'm happy. It's a good weather, not gonna lie, but it's so extremely hot. I kid you not, like it was literally snowing 2 days ago. Suddenly, now it just wants to be a good weather. What? I don't want you guys to think like I'm complaining about the weather, because I'm not. Just a shock. Where did this color come from? Wait a minute, what? So, what? When did I touch blue? When did I touch blue? When did I touch blue? Why is there blue on my face? I don't know. Either way, let's, I'm gonna do the pink here. I'm trying to make you guys be able to see, so don't think that I'm not. Like this. Oh yeah. Well, it actually turned out better than I thought. And the rest, I'm just gonna put it on here so I can put the orange. So time for the orange. Yes. This is actually going good. Hey, let me show you guys. Here. It actually worked. Just finished with that look, and right now I'm just going to put like blush, mascara, yeah, and lip gloss, like this. So I like this mascara because, not gonna lie, it's pretty and it's easy to remove. What just happened? Either way. Oh, I knew it. I saw that was too much. Whatever, let's just try to make it. I'm gonna just blend it out. Guys, I'm so happy that I opened the balcony, because I don't know if I would have made it with this hotness if I didn't. Okay, I'm using a safety pen right now, so I don't know what I'm doing, mind you. Like this. So basically this is the end there, and I'm gonna like it. Okay, so this is the end there, this is a close up. Wait a minute. Let's get outside, wait. Okay, this one is really hitting me hard. Oh my gosh. No, I think this eye look is really nice. Just look at it. I do not have foundation on or anything, so mind you that. Okay, please mind you. But I think it looks good, not gonna lie. I really do think it looks good. Okay guys, so this is basically the end result. And if you want to see a shorter version of this, or if you want to see a more precise version where I have like the camera focused on me, I would recommend you guys watching the short that I posted on Sunday last week. So I really do recommend it. Yeah, this is basically the end result. I'm really happy with it, not gonna lie. And I'm going to try another thing, which is putting an eyeliner, but I will do it on another video, so I would recommend you guys to watch that one as well. I hope you guys had a good time watching this video, and see you next time. Bye.